How to get ice block in Minecraft. So first, there are three types of ice, which is normal ice, the packed ice, and the blue ice. So as you can see right here, but if you want to get an ice block, so if we do it like this normally, so I just do it with my hands, or let's say I'm gonna get a normal pickaxe, so I'm gonna go get a diamond pickaxe, and when I mine them, as you can see, nothing happens. But when I use a netherite pickaxe, I'm just gonna go to survival first. So as you can see, when I use my diamond pickaxe, nothing really happens. But when I use my netherite pickaxe with an enchantment of silk touch, so this is the most important thing. So you will need silk touch to basically mine the ice. As you can see right here, I'm currently mining them. So you need silk touch to mine the ice. So any type of pickaxe will do, even a wooden pickaxe, but with a silk touch enchantment. So as you can see, I now have all the ice right here. So what you can also do is get a crafting table. When you go to a crafting table, open it up, and when you put normal ice, just like that, you'll get the packed ice right here. And if you do it with the packed ice, after that you'll get the blue ice. And lastly, when you get the blue ice, and that's basically the last one. So you can only upgrade the ice to the packed ice, to the packed ice to the blue ice right there. So that's basically the three types of ice here in Minecraft. So I'm just going to show you again for demonstration. When I use a normal pickaxe without any enchantment, it will just basically turn into water for the normal ice. But if you use the pickaxe with silk touch enchantment, when you put the ice, so any type of ice block will do. If you have silk touch, you can basically mine them out. And that's how you basically get an ice block in Minecraft.